Sierra Interactive's proprietary real estate websites, back-end CRM, and ad management services are trusted by top-producing real estate teams in the US and Canada. Our IDX websites are built for SEO. They're beautifully designed and perform well on desktops or mobile devices. With the ability to create unlimited content pages and hyperlocal content such as listings, blogs, testimonials, and videos targeting specific neighborhoods, you can boost organic rankings, driving even more traffic to your website that you can convert into leads. We also help teams generate quality leads with Google PPC and Facebook retargeting and remarketing campaigns. Our digital marketing experts will provide transparent reporting on your spend so you know where every dollar goes. Once leads are generated, you need the system in place to follow up with them. Improve your speed to lead and close deals faster with Sierra's robust CRM. Use lead routing to route leads to specific agents and set up automations to receive follow-up and task reminders and get alerts when a lead saves a property or returns to your website after a certain number of days. You'll also have access to a reporting dashboard that can track where leads come from and help keep agents accountable. We know that agents are on the go. Sierra's mobile app enables you to take your database with you. Quickly record and send video messages directly from the app and update lead records while in between appointments. This is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of how Sierra's solutions can support a high-performing real estate team's success. Request a personalized demo with our team to see if it's a fit for your business.